Hello everybody, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. I have a 2021 Hot Wheels 9-pack to show you guys. Alright, here's the first car we're going to be taking a look at. This is called the Track Ripper, a Hot Wheels multi-pack exclusive for 2021 in a nice matte green color. This one has the gray Y5 spoke wheels with a Hot Wheels logo right there and black striping. This is my first one of this particular casting. They're releasing it in the 2022 mainline. And this one is quite cool for the 2021 multi-pack exclusive. It's like some kind of sports car. Very nice, very nice. It's really slick, looks really slick. I like that right there. There's a silver and black stripe, or gray and black stripe rather, on the hood. And a Hot Wheels logo right there. There's the top. And black interior. This one is quite nice. And here is the front. Very cool Track Ripper, nice fantasy casting, and this one has a gray base, 2017 copyright, and it has that, it has one of those moving bumpers, but does not work that well. I think they made it wrong, but still quite cool because it's a different bumper. Green Track Ripper, multi-pack exclusive for 2021. Next up, we have the Alpha Pursuit. I already have this one. I have two other ones of this one. I opened one in a single unboxing, and another one had a fingernail in the packaging. I uploaded that as a short. This is my third one in the multi-pack. This is a model that came out in 2020 as a new model, and it's got the cyan chrome striped DD8 wheels, deep dish 8-spoke wheels, and we have Rescue right on there with black and, blue and red, and it says Rescue. It's a sleek little coupe thing, looks kind of futuristic. There's a light bar on the top, like the texture on the windows up there, and pretty cool ride. Not too big on this fantasy casting, but it is pretty cool. I'm going to have to line these up in my Rescue display, and this one has a nice sleek design. This one's in a white color. Nice white color. This one came out in the 2021 main line, so it's not a multi-pack exclusive, but still a nice ride. Black plastic base. Alright, here we go. This is the red Honda Prelude, 1998 Honda Prelude. This one is a mainline car for 2021, I believe. And this one is number 125, I believe, on the 2021 year. I was not able to score any Preludes on the shelf in single packs, but I found this one. This is probably the one that appeared in the Q case, and then they put it in this pack, this 9-pack. This 9-pack would have appeared late 2021. And you can see the black hood there, very nice black hood, and a Honda badge right up front there. There's the headlights. Like the white wheels, the white 10-spoke wheels. Beautiful red color on this Honda Prelude. And I like the sunroof right there. Yeah, the white wheels definitely look awesome with this one. This one has gray interior, black interior rather. And look at that. That's insane. I don't think they even say Prelude on the back on most of the models. Look at that. It says Prelude right on the back with the painted details. It says V-Trek or VTEC right there on the back. See if we can see it. Very nice details on this one. Beautiful. Beautiful red Honda Prelude, and a 2019 copyright on the base. This probably came out in 2020 as a new model. I'll have to try to pick some more versions of this one up. Yes, one of my very favorite castings, the Hot Bird. This one comes in the 2021 mainline, number 249 of 250, and this one actually I was not able to find on the pegs. I haven't been able to find any Q case, pretty much. I barely got any Q case for 2021, so I'm getting all the desirable cars from the 9-packs, and look at this one. This one's quite nice. One of my favorite castings, has been around since 1977 or somewhere, 78 maybe, and they still make this casting. Now, they've given it a plastic base, and that's 2021, so this is the first issue with a plastic base. And I love the wheels on this one, blacked out wheels with a gold stripe on it. And that is a 5-spoke wheel. Those are 5-spoke wheels. I love the gold accents right on there. It says Trans Am on it. And I think it's based off of Firebird Trans Am or something like that, but they call it the Hotbird, so it is definitely based off of a Pontiac Trans Am, or a Firebird, rather. And just take a look at that T-top. That is really nice. And a black interior on this one. There's the seating for 4 people, or maybe you can fit 5 in there. I love this color on it. It's like a Metal Flake steel blue color. Beautiful. So it's a blue and gold car. There's the hood and the front. The classic tampos. Very nice Pontiac Hotbird. Here's a nice look at it. There's the back. I love this casting. I want to collect more colors of it, but this is only my second color of it. So it's the 2021 release. I have a 1982 release from the Hot Ones series. This one is all metal. 1982 release with the blue tinted windows. Oh boy, 2021 multi-pack exclusive McLaren P1. This is amazing. Wow. This one is quite nice for the 2021 mainline, or 2021 multi-pack exclusives. This one comes in a beautiful purple color, and look at that teardrop-shaped dome. That is what the McLarens mostly look like. This has gray 10-spoke wheels, and as I said, 2021 multi-pack exclusive. We saw this one in a gray color for 2020. I opened that previously on the channel. Go check it out, please. I would really appreciate that. I might link it in a couple places. But this one has some nice doors. Look at that. You can see like right through the doors. Little plastic piece in there. This is a beautiful sports car. Take a nice look. Nice purple color on it. Look at the details on the back. This one has some nice taillights. Those are beautiful. And a nice race bar. Very nice aerodynamic design on this McLaren. And there is the other side. And very cool Metal Flake purple color for the multi-pack exclusive. There's the front of it, black stripe, McLaren logo, and the painted headlights. Look at that. Just absolutely gorgeous car. And plastic on the bottom, metal on the top. Very nice. Next up is the Speed Spider 2021 multi-pack exclusive. And good spinning wheels. I thought they were a little broken at first, but nope, they spin perfectly fine. So this is a Spider Street Beast kind of deal, and has a bottom which is metal, gloss black metal base, and all the top is transparent blue. And it's got gray and yellow trapezoid 5-spoke wheels, and chrome interior, and some nice little graphics like a tarantula car. And this is the 2022 multi-pack exclusive that I opened up previously on the channel. Now we got 2 variations of it, but this is the 2021. I'm not sure which one I like more yet, but we'll have to see. Take a nice look at it. Nice blue color on it. And you can see all the little limbs on this spider car. And quite cool. Looks fast. Looks fast on the track. I'd have to say that. Not the best looking fantasy castings. Not too big on some of these Street Beast fantasy castings, but it's one I do not have. It's a uncommon multi-pack exclusive. Not as common as some of the mainline cars you might see. So with any 9-pack, you'll have the exclusives come with it. Next up is a mainline car, the 2021 mainline vehicle. It's a 94 Audi Avant RS2. Great spinning wheels, and I have this one in the first edition, which was blue. I obviously like that one better, but the gray one looks pretty sick too. This one has a nice Metal Flake gray paint job with the chrome 5-spoke wheels. And this is the 94 Avant RS2. It's basically a Porsche with an Audi logo. They're both made by Volkswagen, but this one is absolutely gorgeous. It has the performance of a Porsche, so it's basically like a supercar, kind of, but not really. Look at that. This came in the Factory Fresh series in the 2021 mainline, and just very nice graphics on it. Look at the painted details in the front. Loving those 5-spoke wheels. Those are really sick. Black interior. Nice little wagon we got here. And look at those details in the back. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Loving it, loving it. New for 2021 model. And who knows, I might open the other one up that I have in the main line, but this one happened to be in this 5-pack. The 9-pack, rather. I keep calling it a 5-pack. There is the black base, and it has, like, a little texture on it. And there's a Hot Wheels logo right in the center. See if it has it on this one. Yep, it has it on this one as well. Pretty cool Audis. Definitely a nice one from the 9-pack, which also appeared in the main line. Alright, this one is called the Mach Speeder. And this one has the gray trapezoid 5-spokes with some red accents. Yep, Mach Speeder. And all these cars are made in Malaysia. The 9-packs are made in Malaysia. Look at that gloss black color. This reminds me of the 2021 variation of the Diora 3. And you can see those number 4 with silver stripes and decals on the side right there. I really like it. It looks really fast on the track. Great aerodynamics. And take a nice look. Very nice. There's a big red race bar right in the back. A red interior. Look at the red accents in the front as well. Very cool. Take a nice look at the details right in there. And something right there. A little texture issue. It's alright. 99-cent car. You never know. You never know. But this one is absolutely awesome. Look at the back. That's where that connects. Mach Speeder from the Hot Wheels 9-pack. This is a multi-pack exclusive for 2021. And we got one more car to go. 1971 Maverick Grabber, the exclusive color in this particular 9-pack. And this one is the white variation with the orange stripes. 1971 Maverick Grabber. When I picked this up, it looked just like a Mustang. And boy, am I right, it looks just like a Mustang. There must be some kind of, like, inspiration or something, or a little collab they did with this and the Mustang, because this is so similar. But this one has a chrome plastic base. I love those retro slot wheels on that. Look at the white color. I love the color combinations on this one. Looks so realistic. Super beautiful car. And black interior. Nice gloss white color. A Hot Wheels logo right there. And some double pinstripes, which are orange. This is Maverick Grabber right there. And lowercase modern letters, which is pretty interesting. Black interior, as I said. Look at those headlights. Very nice, very nice. Chrome bumper. Love the chrome bumper. And the black grille as well. The other color of our exclusive car. And there's the back. Looks so much like a Mustang on the back. Just a beautiful one. Beautiful car. Just opened up 9 cars from this Hot Wheels 9-pack. Which one was your favorite? Please let me know down in the comment section below. My favorite would have to be that Hot Bird. And then the Maverick Grabber follows close by. Then the Prelude, the McLaren, the Audi, and then the Fantasy. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.